Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om peace, peace, peace.
Om peace, peace, peace.
Open your eyes. Namaste. Namaste. I see you. Thank you for coming. I hope you enjoyed the class.
Okay.
Come on, ladies, y'all can get up. Who needs help getting up? Who needs help?
All right, good morning, good morning.
Morning.
Yes, how you feel? You feel re-energized?
Oh, absolutely wonderful. Yes. Perfect.
Don't you feel like just doing it all over again?
Absolutely. Yeah, every day. I wish I could do it every day.
Show us one of your favorite yoga pose for the day.
I guess the day we did the warrior. So I would say that one. Good morning, Dr.
Excellent, excellent. All right, good morning. What about you?
Good morning.
What is your favorite yoga pose for the day? Go ahead, go for it.
It's my right feet touring torch.
All right, cool, excellent, excellent.
Did you hear that this morning? You know what it is? Kojo told me. It is actually news broadcast. Blaring from a microphone. Not from here, but from, I think, over there. So it's a station that has a megaphone. Not a megaphone. Sounds closer. I thought it was right next door to me, right?
I was right at the reception
Yeah,
desk.
right. No, but it's back
Because
there.
I said, well, my
Yeah, I
neighbor's
could hear
up
it
there.
back there.
Yeah. I'm about to strangle him too. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. I was up at 4.
I was up at 3:15.
3, see?
So we're all up.
Yes. So that is how they spread news, he said. And it's, I said, is it every morning? He said it's every morning. It's like 4 o'clock. Okay. Okay. So at least we know what it is. And he said today they're talking about STDs. So it's disseminating information. Yeah, which is a good thing.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Morning.
Catherine, how you feeling?
Wonderful.
Yes, once again, you're live on Revolutionary Cam, and just want to give you a shout. Great performance today. Excellent. You got everybody stretched out.
Thank you.
Ready for another excellent beginning.
Glorious day.
Lead your day.
Yes.
Part 2 at Afrikiko.
It's the only way to begin the day. With joy, with that energy, with gratitude for being here. Thank you.
Right.
Okay.
Excellent. Appreciate you.
Make sure I can return this one.
All right, Kojo, good morning.
Good morning, Ross. All right. Okay, now we'll move.
Muhammad, good morning. You're training?
Yeah. Well, be flexible on your top. Okay. So right. 1, 2, 3. We go. Then we go this way to the highest point. Oh, no. So that one, you feel it. Okay, yeah, you squeeze. Oh, let's go like, let's count 10 now from now. 1, 2, 1.